Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant glam crystal vase. And so what you're going to need some of these oval rhinestone buckles. They are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these icy gems, and these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a bud vase, and you can choose any bud vase that you like. I've selected this curved bud vase, which is more of like a fluted shape. And you will need one of these Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2. I have some peel and stick gemstones that I picked up at Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now for the purposes of the video, I'll be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make this piece lasting or permanent, you would probably want to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, did this elegant glam crystal vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, I hope you will subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.